former WEC Bantamweight Champion of the World, Eddie Wineland.
For the people who don't know me, yeah, they're saying that I'm being fed to the sharks. Take it as you is, but anybody that counts me out, you better not.
Former Bantamweight Champion,
Faber's fighting style it's very unorthodox. He's very athletic, he's very strong, he's very powerful. It's a dangerous combination. I'm explosive myself, I possess some power, and I'll be able to match his speed and his power, and we'll go step for step.
What a brutal body shot from Wineland!
I believe I have the power to knock anybody at 135 out. All of my opponents, every every single one of them, their claim is I've never been knocked out. And everybody that I've ever put my hands on, they've either been rocked or they've been dropped. The mainstream people, they know who Urijah Faber is. Everybody knows Urijah Faber. So of course he's got a big advantage on the public side of it. I'm just excited to get in there and fight with him. It's going to be a great fight, and I can't wait to pull off a big upset.